2025 TV antenna. 1200 plus miles long-range TV antenna. HD digital TV antenna indoor with signal booster. Antenna for smart TV and all older. TV supports for K1080p. 33 feet long cables. Antenna television. Brand owned. Color gray. Number of channels for 150. Impedance 75 ohm. Maximum range 1,931,000 to 112.8 meters. Product dimensions for 0.6 for L. X to 0.83 W x 10.7 H. UPC 850063711 to 34. Manufacturer owned. Number of items 1. Enjoy free local channels. Do you have such troubles? 1. You have limited time to watch TV, but you have to pay a large limited TV bill. 2. You miss an exciting ball game because you can't find the station you want to watch. etc. Use OIN's upgraded TV antenna to solve these problems. It allows you to search for ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, Univision, CW, ION, UMAS, etc. for free. Let you keep up with the news, sitcoms, children's programs, and sports programs. Before scanning, be sure to check which channels are available in your area. 1200 plus mile reception range OIN digital TV antenna. Indoor uses the latest digital signal processing chip and signal booster. Not only can it receive channels with a 360 range of 1200 plus miles, it can also optimize signal transmission protection to prevent interference by other signals and ensure that you can get more clear channels even if you are far away from the broadcast tower. Our digital TV antenna supports a variety of signal transmissions, including HD, 4K, and 8K. You can access hundreds of channels without any pixelation, making your favorite TV scenes come to life. Suitable for both outdoor and indoor use. This digital TV antenna uses high-quality materials and a new waterproof cover, making it suitable for use not only indoors but also outdoors. With the help of a 33-foot HD TV cable, installation is a breeze, whether on a wall, window, desktop, or in an outdoor environment. This smart TV outdoor antenna is perfect for use at home, underground garage, office, outdoor picnic, RV, yacht, and more. Enjoy a stable signal even in adverse weather conditions. Indoor and outdoor antenna. The structure is simple and the installation is very convenient. You can freely choose to hang it under the eaves with screws, or stick it on the window with double-sided tape, and a higher position will enhance your signal reception. After installing it in a place where radio waves can be easily received, connect the TV antenna to the digital terrestrial antenna input on the back of the HD TV and use the menu channel to easily search for program scanning. Professional team and after-sales guarantee. If you encounter any issues with channel reception, installation, or other concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at any time. Our professional team is here to provide you with the best service and ensure your complete satisfaction. Best gift, this long-distance TV antenna is very suitable for people's living environment. Even old-fashioned TV sets, when used with a set-top box, can receive free TV signals.